Hi GCC Fitness Center students, my name is Meg Rademacher and I will be your Fitness Center instructor for the Spring 2021 semester. I wanted to touch base with you and get you started in your course to make sure that we have a successful semester working together. So first thing I want to talk about is Canvas. Please make sure that you're comfortable with the inbox over here. And best way to send me a message, click on that inbox button, send me a message. I will respond generally within 24 hours. If for some reason you don't hear from me within those 24 hours, please resend the message. I'm very quick to respond, so generally it will be much faster than the 24 hours. Okay. Also, the help button over here, if you're having trouble navigating Canvas, please click on that help button and use the Canvas guides to get some more help. Student resources is another great page, so please make sure you click on that should you have any questions about resources campus-wide that are happening. Okay, your syllabus is right here under the syllabus button, and there are several other links throughout the course to get you back to your syllabus. And I would like you to check the announcements page on a very regular basis. I'll post announcements not only that pertain to this course and assignments that we have going on in this course, but also any announcements about things that are happening on campus that could be important to you, such as food drives, any scholarships, or any extra things that are happening to help with the COVID situation. All of that information will be posted. I'll post in announcements as well for you. Okay. So you can navigate the course by these buttons over here or the buttons that are posted right here. Okay. A couple key things about the course, kind of just getting started. This course is listed as hybrid. However, due to the COVID-19 situation right now, your PED course will be online for the Spring 2021 semester until we know when the fitness center can open. Okay, it may be able to open sometime during the spring semester, but at the current time we will remain online. Okay, any changes to that will be updated in the announcements section in Canvas, and we'll keep you apprised of that information should the fitness center be able to open. But at the current time, we will be operating totally online. Okay. So first thing you're going to do is click on that Getting Started module. You do need to complete all of these items in order to be able to begin work in week number 1. Okay. So first thing you're going to do, we have a syllabus acknowledgement. If you click on that, your syllabus acknowledgement will take you to your course syllabus, or you can navigate it over here or right here. After reading through your syllabus, you'll then answer the 7 questions, and that will help earn credit towards your grade or time towards your grade. The way you're graded in this course is by earning time by finishing assignments or completing workouts. Okay? The idea of this course, it is a 2-credit course, and we would like you, as you scroll down on your syllabus, you'll notice your grading scale. Ideally, throughout the course, we would like you to earn 48 hours or more before Tuesday, May 11th. Okay? On or before Tuesday, May 11th. 48 hours will get you an A in the course. And you'll see the rest of the grading scale as we go down. So you're going to earn hours towards credit towards your grade by completing both required assignments that are due weekly and then also being physically active. So every week in this course, you will have a required assignment. You are required to do the required assignment each week. If you do not complete a required assignment, you will be withdrawn from the course. So please stay on top of your assignments. The course will always, each week, we will open things on Monday morning and they will close on Sunday night at 11:59. So we recommend in this course that you complete 1 required assignment each week, which will be 1 hour towards your grade, and then at least 2 to 3 hours of physical activity throughout the week. And so ideally you're earning roughly 3 to 4 hours per week of physical activity and required assignments towards credit towards your grade. If you stay on track and earn 3 to 4 hours per week, you'll have your 48 hours before finals week and be done with the course, which is always a great thing to be finished early. So again, if you head back to that modules and that getting started module, after you read over your syllabus, you will take the quiz, which you'll just take the quiz right there. Take that quiz and answer the 7 questions that are listed there. That will be worth 0.5 hours or 30 minutes towards your grade. Okay? So please make sure you complete that before Friday, January 22nd. Okay? As we head back to the orientation module, you also have an assumption of risk form. Once you click on this, it will generate a place for a link for you to go to in order to complete the assumption of risk form. This is an online link, and there are instructions for you in there as well as a short video if you're having trouble completing that. Okay, so make sure you complete that as well. Also listed here is a video about a physical activity example quiz, so how you would complete that. Okay. So after you've completed this entire orientation module, your first week will open for you. All right, so as I said, after you complete that orientation module, week number 1 will open. Okay, and week number 1 and all of the weeks in the modules section will all be the same throughout the Fitness Center course. They will all have a required academic assignment. So for this week, by Friday, I would like you to complete the SMART Goals assignment. So every week you have a required assignment. Please make sure you get those in again so you don't get dropped from the course. But then you also have the option to complete 6 activity quizzes throughout the week. The activity quiz can be completed by doing a variety of physical activities, and that is purely up to you. So let's just click on Physical Activity Quiz 1.1. Okay. And I'm just going to preview it so that you can see what it would kind of look like in your student module or student view. So what you're going to do is you're going to complete at least a 30-minute workout. All workouts need to be at least 30 minutes. And then if you do a workout that's over 60 minutes, so if you do something closer to an hour and a half, feel free to fill out 2 physical activity quizzes. Okay? But you can do anything you would like for your workouts. We list a variety of options here. We have a GCC Fitness Center YouTube channel, which is great. There's a variety of workouts on there, anything from a total body workout, which is even with no equipment, to a yoga session, to just some ab workouts, right? So there's a variety of things on there that you can do for a workout. Again, you can do all of this in the comfort of your own home due to the COVID situation. Okay. We also have a variety of other options for you. Pop Sugar Fitness has some great workout videos on there. Using the Down Dog app, it's a great yoga app to do. If you're an individual who really just enjoys going out for a walk or going for a run, those are all options for you. Going for a hike, those are all options for you as well. You just need to have an accountability piece for every single workout that you turn in. So that accountability piece will be listed. You will tell me what activity you participated in, how long you performed the activity, and then you're going to describe the physical activity. So an example we give you was after we participated in a fitnessblender.com workout. It says this workout was set up on the 20-second work period and 10-second recovery period, doing 3 sets of each exercise. This was a body weight, no equipment workout that included exercises like burpees, push-ups, sit-ups, squat jacks, scissor jacks, etc. The health benefit from this activity were cardiovascular endurance and strength development. I enjoyed the workout because it was constantly different. Okay. So that's similar to what you'd write. If you went out for a hike, tell me, I went out for a great hike this morning at North Mountain. I was able to take my dog with me. The weather was beautiful. I really felt like I was able to do a little bit farther or do it a little bit quicker than I did last week. Give me some details, okay? And then question number 4 is going to be your accountability piece. So you have a variety of options of how you can be accountable. If you wanted to take a selfie of yourself on that hike and upload that, perfectly fine. Another option would be to use the Map My Run screenshot. So to actually download an app on your phone, and it would keep track of it. If you have a Fitbit or a smartwatch, anything like that, you can take a picture of it or a screenshot of the app and submit that. You can also just take a short video clip of you or a time-lapse video of you completing one of your workouts. Okay, so this will need to be different for every day. You're going to be doing something different every day. More than likely something different every day. Hopefully you get a little bit of variety. So that will need to be different, and you're going to submit that. So you can always submit a screenshot of your phone, of the app on your phone. That would be fine. It just needs to show the date that's changing. Okay. So if you have questions about this specifically, just send me a message over here in your inbox, and I'd be happy to help you with that. So again, guys, I just want to make sure that you are all set and you complete those first 3 assignments in the first few days. So before Friday, I would like you to make sure that you have completed the syllabus acknowledgement quiz, the assumption of risk form, and then your first week's required academic assignment, which is the SMART Goals assignment. Remember, you won't be able to get to your SMART Goals assignment until you complete the orientation module. Okay, so you can always go to modules over here, and orientation module is right there. Okay, if you have any questions or need any help, please contact me. Please make sure you're reading the announcements, and I look forward to a great semester with you.